So business liability insurance meaning overview types. What is business liability insurance? Business liability insurance protects the financial interest of companies and business owner in the event that they face formal lawsuits or any third party claims. Such policies cover any direct financial liabilities incurred as well as legal defense expenses. The three main types of business liability insurance are general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, product liability insurance. Key takeaways: business liability insurance protects the financial interest of companies and business owners. Types of business liability insurance include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and product liability insurance. This insurance protects the financial interest of business owners from penalties that they may face from litigation waged against them while also covering the associated legal cost. The cost coverage is influenced by the types of business being incurred, being insured, as well as its location. Companies located in flood-prone regions are likely to pay more. Understanding business liability insurance. Small business owners put their personal finance at risk in the event of business lawsuits. Partnerships and sole proprietorship are vulnerable to exorbitant expense and are consequently in the greatest needs of this type of insurance coverage. Even under the structure of limited liability corporation, an owner may still be exposed to personal risk. Business liability insurance protects a company assets and pay for legal obligations such as media costs incurred by customer who gets hurt on stored property, as well as many on-the-job injuries sustained by employees. Business that tend to carry higher risks than traditional liability insurance can augment their coverage limits with an excess of loss reinsurance or umbrella insurance. Liability insurance also covers the cost of company's legal defense while paying for any settlement offering or awards. A company is mandated to pay is for legal judgments leveled against it. These costs may include compensatory damages, non-monetary losses suffered by the injured party, and punitive damage. For business that rent the commercial real estate property in which they operate, general liability insurance protects against liability from the damage they may suffer due to fire, mold, floods, and other physical catastrophes. Lastly, business liability insurance also covers claims for false or misleading advertising, including libel, standard, and copyright infringements. The cost of business liability insurance covers costs are generally determined by a business perceived risk levels. A building contracts who deals with heavy equipment and dangerous machinery such as cranes and forklifts, for example, will pay more for coverage than an accountant who sits safely behind a desk. Business that fall into lower risk category may want to consider a business owner policy which combines general liability and property insurance at most cost effective rate. Any new or additional business liability insurance policies should contain exclusion clause to avoid duplication of coverage from competing insurance providers, thereby minimizing cost. What is Director Officer Liability Insurance?